Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed every time you sit down to write? Do you find yourself lost in a sea of ideas, struggling to bring order to your thoughts? Well, look no further. In this video, I'm going to share with you a game-changing technique that will take your writing from chaos to clarity. Outlining. Before I discovered the power of outlining, I used to dive right into writing without any plan. The result? Hours of staring blankly at the screen, getting frustrated, and feeling like my ideas were going in circles. But then, I stumbled upon outlining, and it completely transformed my writing process. An outline is like a roadmap for your thoughts, guiding you through the writing journey and helping you stay focused and organized. So, how does outlining work? Well, it's simple. Start by jotting down your main ideas or key points. These will serve as the foundation for your writing. Think of them as the pillars that will support your entire piece. Once you have your main ideas, take a moment to think about the order in which they should be presented. Arrange them in a logical sequence that will make your writing flow smoothly. This step will help you avoid the pitfall of jumping back and forth between different points. Next, it's time to fill in the details. Under each main idea, write down supporting information, examples, or arguments. These subpoints will add depth and substance to your writing, ensuring that your readers or viewers have a clear understanding of your message. One of the greatest benefits of outlining is that it prevents writer's block. By having a clear structure and roadmap in place, you'll always know what comes next, eliminating the dreaded feeling of being stuck. Outlining also allows you to see the bigger picture of your piece. You can easily identify any gaps or areas that need more research or development. This way, you can address those issues before diving into the actual writing. Once your outline is complete, the actual writing process becomes a breeze. With a solid roadmap in hand, you'll be able to write more efficiently, confidently, and with greater clarity. But remember, outlining is not set in stone. It's a flexible tool that can be adjusted and modified as you go along. Allow yourself the freedom to deviate from the original plan if it feels necessary. The outline is there to guide you, not restrict your creativity. So, are you ready to transform your writing from chaos to clarity? Start with a simple outline, and watch your ideas come to life in a structured and engaging manner. Outlining has been a game changer for me, and I'm confident it will be for you too. Take that first step today, and unlock the full potential of your writing. Happy outlining!